olive oil at night and how it supports health after 40. Simple habit, steady long-term effects. I started it out of curiosity. 1 spoon before bed. No expectations, just consistency. The first nights felt normal, but over weeks, small changes showed up. Digestion felt calmer. Mornings felt lighter. Small habit, quiet internal shift. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, contains monounsaturated fats and polyphenols. These compounds support heart health and reduce oxidative stress. It supports cells and reduces inflammation. According to research from the National Institutes of Health and Studies in the New England Journal of Medicine, olive oil is a key part of dietary patterns linked to cardiovascular support. The Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, has been associated with better long-term health outcomes. Drinking it straight is not magic, but timing and consistency may help some people. What I noticed personally: first, digestion felt smoother. Healthy fats can support gut motility. A small amount before bed may help gentle overnight processes. Second, satiety improved. Less late-night snacking. Fats signal fullness more effectively than refined carbs. Third, skin felt slightly less dry. This may relate to overall fat intake and hydration balance. Results vary by person and intake. Practical way to try it: start with 1 teaspoon. Increase to 1 tablespoon if tolerated. Choose extra virgin olive oil only. Take it plain or with a small sip of warm water. You can also add it to dinner instead. Similar benefits without drinking it alone. Too much may cause mild digestive upset. Not everyone tolerates it the same way. Moderation is key. Consult your doctor before major changes. To track progress, keep it simple. Notice digestion in the morning. Track hunger at night. Observe skin and energy over weeks. No instant transformation. Just small, steady improvements if it fits your body. The real lesson I learned. Simple habits done daily matter more than trends. If this helped, leave a like. Start small, stay consistent, let results build.